Michelle Brandel, Criminal Justice Studies. Queen Tao, Criminal Justice Studies.
That's my wife's sister!
Connor Jackson, Criminal Justice Studies. Dakota Kafka, Criminal Justice Studies.
That's my neighbor!
Corey Storman, Criminal Justice Studies. Mark Krieger, Criminal Justice Studies. Chandler Margalski, Criminal Justice Studies. Crystal Dobbs, Criminal Justice Studies. Michael Rickey, Fire Protection Technician. Annie Worth, Criminal Justice Studies. Tony Miller, Criminal Justice Studies. Tua Lord, Criminal Justice Studies.